In this video, I'll guide you through how to bulk upload and schedule social posts in HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your social media efforts and save valuable time, this quick and easy tutorial is just for you. By the end, you'll be able to efficiently manage your posts and ensure they're scheduled exactly when you want them. First things first, let's navigate to the right area in HubSpot. Start by going to the marketing section. Once there, head over to social. This is where all the magic happens. The social section is your one-stop hub for everything related to your social media management within HubSpot. From here, you can monitor, engage, and most importantly, schedule your posts. Now that you're in the social section, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Schedule in Bulk. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is incredibly helpful when you have numerous posts you want to schedule at once. It eliminates the need to manually input each post one by one, thus saving you time and effort. Upon clicking Schedule in Bulk, a pop-up will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, you'll notice an option to download Excel CSV import template. Clicking on this will allow you to download a template file onto your computer. This template is designed to help you organize your posts before uploading them to HubSpot. It's straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring that your post details are correctly formatted for a smooth upload process. Once you have your template downloaded, take the time to fill it out with your social media content. Make sure to include all necessary details such as post text, scheduled dates, and times. This is crucial as any missing or incorrect information can impact how and when your posts are published. Double-checking your entries will help ensure that everything is set up just the way you want it. After completing your template, it's time to upload it back into HubSpot. Return to the same pop-up window and locate the Select File option. Click on it and choose your completed CSV file from your computer. This action will upload your file to HubSpot, preparing it for scheduling. The process is quick, but make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully bulk uploaded and scheduled your social posts in HubSpot. This method not only maximizes your productivity, but also ensures that your social media strategy is consistent and timely. Remember, a well-managed social media presence can greatly enhance your brand's visibility and engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore HubSpot's resources or reach out to their support for additional assistance. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.